Greetings. I'd like to show you the technology proficiency program that I have chosen, and it is called Quizizz. Go ahead and log in. Quizizz is a program designed to allow you to create online quizzes that your students can take and then be able to get a quick, ready assessment provided right back for them, and they can get immediate feedback to their success. It also allows them to compete against fellow classmates, and by competing against fellow classmates, it keeps them on task and it gets to their competitive juices, gets them to want to compete and to want to work one against another. I'm going to go over here. As you can see, this is my profile. This is me, David Sexton. And I had just created a quiz a couple of days ago to get this set up. So I'm going to go to My Quizzes. And here for my class, I've got one that's for property of matter. So I'm going to go ahead and open that one up. And as you can see, you can go in and you can edit this. I have already set it up. I've got 74 questions in there. But if I wanted to edit this first question, I click on Edit. And it'll allow me to go in, readdress the question, and recheck the right or wrong answer. Once I do that, then that question is ready to play. Well, let's just go down here to the very bottom and try to add an additional question. So I'm going to create a new question. Here I'm going to write, what is the formula for density? Down here I can put in mass times volume. I can put in speed equals distance divided by time. I can put in density equals mass divided by volume. By the way, that's the correct answer. And I can put in force equals mass times acceleration. And I can save that one. As you can see, this is a quick and easy program to use and allow your students to have a good time while reviewing. I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to finish this quiz. And now this quiz is ready to be played. So I'm going to click on States of Matter. I'm going to go down to Live Game. I'm going to say that I want to host a classic game, which is individuals playing themselves against their fellow classmates. Now all I have to do is give this code to my students on their computer in the computer lab. They can log in and they can get ready to go. Once I have them all signed in and I have their list of participants here, I will hit start and the game can begin. They will play the game, they will challenge each other, and they'll learn a little something along the way.